Hello dear students, already you know we are discussing about large numbers. We are discussing about 7 and 8 digit numbers. In previous videos you learnt Indian system of numeration and about place value, face value, how to write expanded form and how to write the short form of the number. And I hope you solved the my practice time 1 and my practice time 2. Yes, then in what about in today's class? In today's class we are going to learn the comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Then what is this comparison? You have to take two digits and you compare them. So let us take one example, and that is I will take here 543 543 596, and you take one more number, and that is 8974689. Okay, then here I will take one more number, and that is 49768548, and I will take here one more example, and that is 4986327 Yes, to compare these numbers you have two rules. You have two rules, and that is rule number 1 is here. When you are comparing the digits, first step you need to count the number of digits. So then count how many digits are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many digits are there? 8 digits are there. Okay, next you take this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many digits are there? 7 digits are there. Here in this case 8 digits are there, and in this case 7 digits are there. Then tell me which number is the greatest number. Obviously the number which has more number of digits, that is the greatest number. A number having more number of digits, that is the greatest number. Here 8 digit number is there, and here 7 digit number is there. Then which one is greatest number here? This. I hope you are getting my point. Here when comparing two numbers, first you have to look after the both, count the number of digits, and see here the number having more number of digit is the larger. The number having more number of digits, that is the greatest number. So this is the rule number 1. Rule number 1. Okay, I hope you understood. See here, first you count the digits. If it has 8 digits and 7 digits, obviously 8 digit number is the greatest number. Then next rule number 2 is there. So what is this rule number 2? Here already you know the first, when you are comparing you need to know, count the number of digits. Then count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here how many digits are there? 8 digits are there. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, I will take here one more digit. I will take here 4. Yes, then see here also 8 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit. Okay, here also 8 digit, and here also 8 digit. Already you know, if one 8 digit, one 7 digit is there, means which number has a more digit, that is the greatest number. But here both the digits are same. Then what to do? Here you have to see the first digit. See here 4 is there. Here also 4 is there, and here also 4 is there. Then what to do next step? You need to check the next digit. So what is there here? Here 9, and here also 9. See here the number of digits also equal. First number also equal, and second digit also equal. Then what to do? You need to know the third digit. So here 7 is there, and here 8 is there. See here 7 is there, and here 8 is there. So which one is greatest number here? Here 7 is there, then 8 means this number is the greatest number. See here, if 6 and 7 is there, no, you can compare very easily, but here you are learning 7 and 8 digit number. See here, after watching the number, you can't say whether it is big or which one is bigger number, but if you know the rules, then you can compare the numbers very easily. So this is rule number 2. This is rule number 2. I hope you are getting my point. If digits are not equal, then you can compare easily. If digits also same and if first digit also same, then second digit also same, means how to do for that you need to know rule number 2. Here 4, 4. So next you take 9, 9. But here 7 and here 8 is there, means 8, this is the greatest number. So this type you have to compare the numbers. And regarding this, page number 83. Page number 83, my practice time 3. See here, page number 83, my practice time 3. So try to solve this numbers. So compare the following numbers and insert greater than, smaller than or equal sign in the space provided. So you solve these examples in your notebook. Already I told to purchase one 300 pages book. In that book you have to practice it. See here, you need to practice every day. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So let us take some examples from your my practice time 1. So I will take here 497. So I will take here 4 9 7 6 8 5 4 8 and here 4 9 8 6 3 2 7 9. Next I will take one more example 9 1 2 3 4 5 1 and here 6 7 9 8 6 0 1 0. I will take one more example 7 9 8 4 1 6 6 8 and I will take one more example 8 1 7 9 0 6 9. Okay, so I will take one more example here 2 3 4 5 6 8 2 3 4 5 6 8. So here the first question is there, compare the numbers and insert greater than, smaller than or equal sign. So this examples from your my practice time 3. My practice time 3. Yes, my practice time 3, page number 83. So let us solve these examples. Here you have to insert, compare the following numbers and insert greater than, smaller than or equal sign. So first step, you need to count the digit. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many digits are there? 8 digits. Here also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also 8 digits, here also 8 digits. Then what to do here? We need to count, we need to compare this 4, 4 is there. Here also 9, 9 is there. Here 7 is there and here 8 is there. So this is the greatest number. Next count here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 digits are there. Tell me which one is the greatest. So this obviously 8 digit number is the greatest number. Already I taught about rules. Yes, next count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which one is greatest? This is the greatest number. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Okay. Next compare first digit. Here also 2. Here also 2. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 8, 8. All are equal. Means which sign will come here? Equal sign will come. So already you learnt in previous year. But here there you learned 5 and 6 digit number. Here you are learning 7 and 8 digit numbers. Here after watching this, here so many big large numbers are there. Okay, you will get a confusion how to compare the numbers. But if once you know know the rules, then you can compare easily. So next here, one more concept is there in your My Practice Time 3, and that is ascending and descending order of the number. So take here, I will discuss about ascending order and descending order. Okay, ascending order and descending order. Descending order. Yes, ascending and descending order. Okay, then what is this ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smaller to biggest number, smaller digit to bigger digit. Ascending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest, smaller to bigger, bigger to smaller. Okay, so let us take one example. 7 1 4 6 8 9 1. Okay, next I will take one more example. 8 1 7 6 8 9 4 0. Next I will take one more example. 9 4 1 6 8 4 3 2. I will take one more example. 8 9 7 6 8 4 3. So this is the example now I took here, and I will arrange this number in ascending order. Okay. Next, so how to compare, how to arrange these numbers? First step, you need to count the number of digits. Count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here number of digits are 7. Here you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here number of digits are 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here also 8 digits are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here 7 digits are there. So now I will arrange this number in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means you need to write the numbers from smaller to bigger, smaller to bigger. So here already you know means here 7 digit, 8 digit, 8 digit, 7 digits. So 7 digit number is the smallest number. Next, here 7 digit numbers 2 are there. Then you need to compare these two, 1 and 2. Here 7 is there and here 8 is there. Then tell me which one is smallest here? This. So write here 7, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 1. Okay. So this over. This over. Yes, next which one is remaining? This 7 digit number you write here. 8, 9, 7, 6, 8, 4, 3. Okay, this is the smallest, next smallest. So this is also over. Next you take this and this. Both are 8 digit number. Then what to do? Here, see here 8 is there and here 9 is there. Then which one is smallest number here? This. So write here 8, 1, 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 0. Next last one is 9, 4, 1, 6, 8, 4, 3, 2. So this type you have to arrange ascending order. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? So here first you need to count the number of digits. If numbers are equal, means digits are equal, then you need to count, you need to compare the first digit. First digit is also correct, then you need to check the second digit. So I hope you understood how to write this ascending order. Next I will take here one more example and I will arrange that number in descending order. So take here, I will take here 4, 9, 5, 4, 9, 5, 8, 6, 3, 1, 2. Next 9, 8, 7, 2, 1, 6, 8, 4. Next 5, 1, 9, 4, 8, 3, 1, 6. Next 9, 8, 4, 1, 6, 8, 2, 2. Okay. So this one digit, two number, third number and fourth number. So first step you need to count the number of digits. Count here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here, all sides are 8. Then you need to check the first digit. Here 4 is there. Here 4 is there. Here 9 is there. Here 5 is there. And again here 9 is there. Then tell me among this which one is smallest? This. Okay, but here we are arranging the numbers in descending order, means first you have to write the greatest number. So leave this and see here 4 is there, leave it. Next here 5 is there, leave it. So first you have to take these numbers. Here 9 is there, 9, 8. Here 7 is there and here 4 is there, means first I have to write this number. So write here 9, 8, 7, 2, 1, 6, 8, 4. So I am arranging here in descending order. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 2, 1, 6, 8, 4. Next here the 8 digit number 9 is there in first place, that you write 9, 8, 4, 1, 6, 8, 2, 2. Next, which one is there here? See here, this one is there and this one is there. Here 5 is there and here 4 is there, means I will write this. 5 is greatest number. 5, 1, 9, 4, 8, 3. Next here, remaining last one, 4, 9, 5, 8, 6, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so I hope you understood how to write the ascending order and descending order and how to compare the numbers. See here in page number 83, my practice time 3, page number 83. If you have this kind of examples, solve and send it to my number. In today's class I taught how to compare the numbers, the rule how to compare the numbers, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers smallest to biggest, descending order means biggest to smallest. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.